We're here at Excalibur and we're converting our slot dollars and playing some 88 fortunes. These are Denise's lucky bank of machines, so I wanted to check them out and put 10 bucks in here. So we got, I think, 11 in here total. Let's go. All right, we're doing 18 cents a twirl. I don't know where the volume is on this thing. Back to our 18 cents a twirl.
Come here, baby.
I think I'm gonna bump it up to 30.
Okay.
38 cents. Alright, that's it for this one. I started playing 8 cents with the last couple spins, and it's been hitting and hitting and hitting little tiny bits. So, yeah. 8 cents a twirl. The ultimate low roller. We won't smack the button.
Be nice to the button.
Be nice to the button, that's right. Little Callie's on the speakerphone. On my other phone. Oh, come on. We got 3 more twirls? No, 1 more twirl. This is it. And I'll be cashing out. Oh. It gave me a couple more twirls. I won 30 cents. Now we got 37 cents. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. We like our room at the Rio. It's nice. Let's go. One last spin here, kids. Not a tostada. All right, well, that was fun. Let's go try the other 10 bucks and something else.